Hey guys, this was after I built it here, and then the wife took it upstairs, and then this is when she painted it, and then after she got it painted, she set it in location, and this is it after she decorated, and then this is me building it.
This thing's getting heavy. Not bad. Not bad. It sits pretty good. Trying to see. Let me look at the picture again. Okay, like I said, I'm not doing these braces here. You can see how that's cut around there. Probably going to have to put some kind of brace or something in there. I could see them twisting. The top's fine. I'm probably going to cut some lines with my saw in there to give it a look that it's 3 boards, even though it's 1 board. But yeah, that's what it looks like. So yeah.